Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy with the Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to set up my dining table, blue, gold and white. Okay family, if you need idea how to decorate your home on a budget, you come into the right place, because in this video you're going to see a lot good stuff for very less. Okay guys, I start by with my Warner. I get it from Hobby Lobby. I bought it by the yard, but you know, so I cut it because sometimes I want it shorter, sometimes I want it longer, so that's why I did this way. And I love flowers. Pretty much you're going to see flowers in all my videos. I'm just gonna fix in different ways. My inspiration comes from my nails, as you can see guys, the blue, the light blue, the cobalt blue, and I love everything about my nails, so I just wanted to bring it to life by decorating my dining area this way. This video is in collaboration with Madam Glam that sent me the nails. It's a personal nail guys, so if you have a busy life like me, you need something like that. And guys, it can use as a gift since we are in the holiday season, so that can be a nice gift for a friend, yourself, or a family, whoever you prefer. So guys, as you can see, the material is super nice. It's a good material because it's strong. It's not flimsy or anything, so it would last you for a couple weeks. This is a double side tape that comes with it, so guys, it's super easy to apply. I choose the short one guys. They have variety of length, design that you can choose for, but me, that's what fit my lifestyle right now. That's what I choose. But if you want longer or other design, you can head up to the website. You can choose whatever you prefer. As you can see guys, it's extremely easy to apply on, and I just measure the size of my nails. This is a game changer. You don't have to spend a lot of money if you don't want to, if you don't have time. It's super fast, convenient for you guys. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out. If you don't want to use the double side tape, you can always use nail glue, whatever you prefer. But me, I wanted to use everything inside the package to see how long it would last me, so I'll keep you updated on everything. Just apply the nails and then that's it. So I have for a couple days now, so I'll let you know how long it lasts me. Okay guys, let's go back to the video and keep on watching. Let's take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell guys. Whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. Guys, if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, what's stopping you from subscribing? Please subscribe today. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree.
The dining plates are my DIY, and guys, I made several of them. I have gold, blue and silver for now. Today I'm going to use the gold and the blue, and the silver I have a tutorial coming up to show you guys how I made them. And guys, I'm truly in love with them. They're so pretty. The video doesn't do them justice. As you can see, they're super nice. The blue one are my favorites. As you can see guys, they're so gorgeous. I love them so much. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je décore ma salle à manger bleu, doré. Mais n'oublie pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français, ça me fait un grand plaisir. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci guys pour votre support. Je vous aime.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous qui j'aime moins décorer ça la manger moins bleu avec l'or. Si nous remerciez, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier quitter un petit message pour moi et puis mon big thumbs up. Et si vous pas la première fois, tout le monde dit merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos, moi remercie non. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think. If you like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share it.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my
I just want to remind you guys, whenever you buy to my link, you help out the channel grow. Okay guys, make sure to check the description box down below. I'm going to leave the link of everything for you. Check them out if you want to recreate the look or if you have something that you like you want to buy.
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
The gold vase is my DIY and I got the flowers from Michaels. This is from Michaels. The blue one from Michaels. The white one from Hobby Lobby. And they were like 50% off. I bought them last year. And guys, if you need something for your home, don't wait when you need it. So just buy them when they're on sale and you'll be better off like that.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to?
Okay guys, that was all for today. Thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!